Hi everyone, I am Dr. Mahipal Singh Rathod, Faculty for General Studies at Study IQ, and today I am going to give you 5 last minute tips for UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2020. The exam is on 4th of October, very little time is left for it, so I am going to give you 5 simple tips or advice that you can follow. Tip number 1. If you are confused which subject to study in the last 2-3 days, always go for polity. Polity is the safest bet that any aspirant can place because best case scenario, polity will have 22 to 24 questions in the paper out of 100. Worst case scenario, it will have 10 questions. So whatever you do revise polity because there are many things in this subject which require multiple revision, otherwise you won't be able to reproduce them. Tip number 2. Revise science and tech current affairs thoroughly. The weightage of science and tech has been increasing over the years and all the questions are current affairs based. So you must be thorough with the current affairs. You can go for compilation videos of science and tech available on YouTube channels. So do revise science and tech properly and revise at least 18 months of current affairs for this subject. Tip number 3. Solve at least one CSAT mock test every day. CSAT is based on aptitude, reasoning, English, mathematics, and this paper has been the cause of failure of many hard-working aspirants every year. Especially for engineers, people from mathematics background, they tend to overlook this paper, but it is very important. If you have not given much importance to CSAT paper 2, at least solve one mock test or previous year question paper for the remaining 3 or 4 days. Also, when you sit for your mock test, try to sit on an uncomfortable stool or a chair in a room where there is no fan, there is no AC, because those would be the conditions that you can have in your exam center. Tip number 4. Study all the new important schemes launched by the government in the past 18 months, especially those related to the Jal Shakti Ministry or the Agriculture Ministry. Schemes like Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund might have gone under your radar when they were launched. So make sure you read up on them. You know the basic points. They are very important for multiple choice questions. My 5th and final advice to you is not regarding studies but regarding the logistics. Many of you would be traveling to another city for giving the exam. So travel on the 3rd of October itself. Do not keep your travel plans for 4th October morning. Make proper travel plans. If you are going to hire a cab, if you're traveling with a friend, going to stay at a relative's place, going to stay in a hotel, manage all those things at least 2-3 days in advance so that there is no last minute hustle. Please do not get frustrated or irritated. Due to COVID-19 related protocols, everybody will be doing their job. There might be some delays here and there. Keep your cool, keep your calm, focus on the examination, focus on your future. And with that, I wish you all the best for examination.